Hello everyone, welcome back to another banger video. Today we're going to be talking about the enum module in Python. So yeah, let's hop right into it. In Python, an enum, or short for enumeration, type is a distinct type that represents unique sets of named values. These sets are often used when we have a variable that should only have a certain number of possible values, like the days of a week, for instance. Right. So now we're going to take a look at an example of creating an enum in Python. Creating an enum in Python is as simple as defining a class that inherits from the enum base class. In this example, we've created an enum for the days of the week. Right. Now we're going to take a look at working with enums. Enums are classes, and the individual elements are instances of these classes. So you can access them directly by their names, and you can retrieve the name or value of an enum member with the .name and .value attributes. You can easily iterate over all numbers of an enum using a simple for loop. As you can see in this example, it prints out all of these. Enums are distinct and can be compared for equality, as demonstrated here. So that's going to be it for this video. If you found it helpful, drop a like down below, drop a comment, and we'll catch you in the next one.